If your snack time needs a boost, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the world of raisins. These tiny, wrinkled wonders are loaded with health benefits. First up, they're rich in fiber, helping keep your digestion on track. No more tummy troubles. Next, raisins are packed with essential minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium. Great for heart health, blood pressure, and strong bones. Talk about a triple threat. Don't forget the antioxidants. Raisins are full of polyphenols that fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Feeling low on energy? Their natural sugars give you a quick, sustained boost. Plus, they're super convenient. Toss them into cereals, salads, or just snack on them straight from the box. So which raisin is best, dark golden or sultanas? Most types are nutritionally similar. But if you want to avoid added chemicals, go for organic, unsulfured varieties. Incorporate these little gems into your diet and enjoy the digestive, cardiovascular, and antioxidant perks, all wrapped up in a naturally sweet package. Snack smart with raisins. Visit our website for more healthy snack ideas and tips.